Welcome back to our kitchen, where we're all about quick, healthy, and delicious meals. Today, we're bringing a little bit of Thailand into your home with a healthy twist on the classic Thai red chicken curry. Let's get cooking. For this nutritious version, you'll need 200 grams of chicken breast sliced thinly, 1 tablespoon of red curry paste, which will be 2 lemongrass minced, garlic and ginger crushed, chopped chili peppers and tomato paste, 200 milliliters of light coconut milk, 1 cup of chicken broth, low sodium, a mix of your favorite vegetables. We're using bell peppers, carrots and snap peas, green beans, and a tin of water chestnuts sliced thinly, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, optional, a handful of fresh basil leaves, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, or a healthier alternative like coconut sugar, and for serving, a cup of cooked brown rice or quinoa. First, heat a pan over medium heat and add the olive oil. Once hot, add the red curry paste. Stir it around for a minute to release those beautiful aromas. Add your chicken slices. Cook until they're just done, about 3 to 4 minutes. You want them tender and juicy. Time for the veggies. Add your sliced vegetables into the pan and stir for another 2 minutes. It's all about keeping those nutrients in. Pour in the coconut milk and chicken broth. Bring it to a gentle simmer. Add the fish sauce and sugar, then let it cook for about 5 minutes. Right before you take it off the heat, stir in those fresh basil leaves for an extra pop of flavor and some chopped coriander and lime zest. Serve it hot over a bed of brown rice or quinoa for a complete meal. And there you have it, a mouth-watering, nutritious Thai red chicken curry that's perfect for 2. Thanks for joining me today. If you loved this recipe, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more healthy eats. See you next time.